Hey tech enthusiasts, so what's the buzz today? Well, let's dive right into what's hot on the market radar. Eaton Corporation. Yep, that's right, Eaton has been making quite a ripple, and let me fill you in on why. First off, it's all about the options trading activity that's caught everyone's eye. According to Benzinga's options scanner, some serious whale trades, yeah, we're talking investors with deep pockets, have been spotted making moves on Eaton Corporation. In total, there were 12 uncommon options trades, which are raising eyebrows and making folks ask whether someone knows something the rest of us don't. Now let's break down those numbers. Out of these 12 trades, 8 are call options amounting to a grand total of $590,776, and 4 are put options tallying up to $181,040. If you're new to options trading, here's a quick primer. Calls are generally bullish, while puts are bearish. So in Eaton's case, 33% of the sentiment was bullish, while 50% was bearish. That is, leaning a bit towards a downtrend. The big bucks have been placed on strike prices ranging from $300 to $370, signaling where these investors think Eaton is headed in the near term. This flurry in the options market hints at potential moves in Eaton's stock price. But what's driving all this interest? It might have something to do with Eaton's solid performance lately. The company has transformed itself from humble beginnings into an industrial giant. Today, Eaton's revenues primarily come from its electrical and industrial businesses. This involves data centers, utilities, and even aircraft parts. Also interesting, Eaton benefits from being domiciled in Ireland for favorable tax treatment, while still pulling in over half its revenue from the US. Moving on from the options excitement, Eaton's stock performance has been top-notch too. Let's look at the numbers. Eaton has returned 36.9% so far this year, significantly outperforming the industrial products sector's average of 12.1%. Heck, Eaton is among the top players in its sector, even outpacing other strong performers like Graham Corporation, which has boasted a 59.9% year-to-date return. What makes this more interesting is how the broader sector is doing. Eaton is part of the manufacturing electronics industry, which has seen an average 14.9% uptick this year. Not too shabby, right? In contrast, Graham, sitting in the manufacturing general industrial industry, only ticked up by 11% overall. So what does this all mean? Whether bullish or bearish, it's clear that investors are placing significant bets on Eaton, underscored by its impressive stock performance and solid business fundamentals. Investors interested in industrial products should definitely keep an eye on Eaton and Graham as they continue their upward march. If you're looking to dig deeper, tools like Benzinga Pro can give real-time alerts to keep you ahead of the curve. In a nutshell, Eaton is making big waves, and savvy investors are strapping in for the ride. Stay tuned, folks. This one's worth watching. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.